One day, I realized that the dryer for all types of hair did not exist. So we have created. It's called 8thSense. It's the very first professional dryer for all types of hair, from the thickest to the most delicate. Usually dryers have 3 to 4 combinations. 8thSense has almost infinite combination of heats and speeds. With a touch on the accelerator, I can adjust the temperature and air speed to the type of hair. It's like riding a motorbike. I select, first of all, the first program, which is for very delicate hair. At the lowest speed, the dryer is perfect for the baby's hair. If I increase the temperature and the heat, it's a perfect dryer for men's short hair or for very fragile and delicate hair. Now, I pass to the second setting, which is for very thick, coarse hair. I can get very quick and long-lasting hair setting. It's a very powerful dryer. Decreasing the hair speed becomes a styler. So the hairstylist can do anything he wants just using the power of the heat. 8thSense is also very silent. At the lowest speed, it would not wake up even a sleeping baby. This is thanks to a back filter, a unique technology which works as a built-in silencer and also prevents the hair from entering inside the dryer. So, long life to the dryer. 8thSense is a concentrate of technology, which gives to the hairstylist the maximum level of creativity with the lowest energy consumption. I'm very proud of this product. It's absolutely gorgeous, as all the products developed, manufactured and dreamt in Italy.